Hi, you've guessed it. Today we are gonna paint a surreal seascape with one of my special imaginary boats floating on a big wave. I love to paint wild waves crushing the shore with lots of foam and stuff going on. This time it's gonna be a very small painting in oil measuring 25 by 25 centimeters. I'm telling you in this video some tips and tricks for painting a sea. So let's get started and jump into the video. I am working on a primed wooden panel where I place the drawing on. Usually I start with a so-called grisaille in black and white. The paint that I use is acrylic. My imaginary boat is containing 3 animals. At least for now. Along the way I will probably add some more things or animals as I got inspired. I am starting in oil right now, beginning with the sky. I choose a neutral grey-purple one. If I would add here some massive clouds, I would lose the focal point for the viewer. It would distract the main theme, the waves and the small boat. I am blending the sky with a dry, soft brush. I barely touch the surface for a smooth result. This is a great trick to get a great, soft result. Some artists don't like blending at all. They placing the paint on the panel and that's just it. But hey, it's my painting and I have already the result in mind. So what the heck, I'm on the steering wheel. The mountains in the far distance I paint with burnt umber, ultramarine blue, magenta and titanium white. I am holding back with my yellow tones in this area to create atmospheric distance in the painting. These mountains are more nearby and are going to be painted with some slightly warmer tones. Time to start working on the water. The horizon must be painted very diffuse to get that realistic effect of distance. Magenta, ultramarine blue and a touch of titanium white are the colors that I use. Closer to the shore, the colors are mixed with green and yellow ochre. The sand of the beach gives a great contrast with the white of the foam and the crushing waves. I paint the illusion of sand with a base color. Above that layer I am placing lighter and darker tiny spots, suggesting sand. Here's my boat. I created with an old Chinese bowl and some kind of a balloon. More and more details are added in this stage. I am placing the second layer very thin, so I get more nuances in my painting. I am placing my last details with my strongest colors right now. Here's my final result. I'm really happy with it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you get some inspiration and give a seascape a try next time you're picking up the brushes again. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want more of this kind of videos. See you in the next one. Bye!